Hi, welcome back. Let's understand about Salesforce query operation. In last session, we have set up Salesforce object and also we have worked with create operation. Then how we can fetch the data from Salesforce object. We use query operation of Salesforce module to fetch the data from Salesforce object. Basically, we write SOQL queries, that means SOQL, Salesforce Object Query Language, to fetch the data from a Salesforce object. The SOQL queries almost look like same as our SQL queries. Even though it is a simple video, the intention behind this video is to aware of SOQL queries, how we write SOQL query on top of a Salesforce object to fetch the data from Salesforce. I have created a simple REST service in a Salesforce demo project, which is a fetch EMP profiles. Here I have taken the path as fetch EMP profiles and had a start log saying that started this flow, and here I have dragged and dropped the query operation from Salesforce object, this query operation, and inside this I have written select name, EMP phone, EMP email, EMP skills from EMP profile, where EMP skills equal to skills. Then I am sending the skills as a query parameter. So whenever a recruiter sends the skills over this API, they would able to see all the employees or all the profiles who has the particular skills. So we write the SOQL query to query the Salesforce object. This is almost look like same as our SQL query on top of database. And I am whatever we are fetching here and I am setting into a response. So these fields as EMP name, EMP mail ID, phone and skills. I've already deployed this application. Let's go to Postman and I have formed the URL that I am sending skills as Java. Before making the request, let's have a look at the Salesforce object EMP profiles. Here we see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 records in this EMP profiles object. If I click on Stephen profile, I can able to see he has skills of Java, and if we see the Michael, he has Java skills, and Chinna, we see the skills Java, and we see the skills of Mark, Mule, and we see the skills of John, Mule. Now I wanted to fetch the profiles based on the skills. Let me first get the Java skills. Click on send. Now it will fetch the EMP profiles using this SOQL query and prepare the response and send it back us. We can see 3 records have came. Those are Chinna, Stephen and Michael, who are having skills as Java, so that the recruiter can reach out their email ID or telephone to tell about the opportunity to schedule a interview. Let me send it as Mule. Click on send. Now we can able to see the Mule profiles of Mark and John. So this way we write a SOQL queries, SOQL, Salesforce Object Query Language, to fetch the Salesforce object. Whenever we write the query on custom object, make sure we are keeping __C for the EMP profile, I mean the Salesforce object, and also to the corresponding fields. That's all about this session. Thank you. See you in next session. Happy learning.